Welcome to everybody. I am from Agri Bangla. You are all watch the video. Now I am discuss how it is prepared. At first you open your Microsoft PowerPoint, a blank page. Then here is a ducks and 4 cups. This is the main shape which I prepared, and from these 4 cups are coffeed. But how it is prepared? There are several parts in these ducks: mouth parts, head, eye, throat, body, behind leg and front leg. Here is the mouth parts and throat are made from rectangular shape. Whole mouth and body is made from teardrop shape, and also customize them. Leg is made from L shape and it was customized. And eye shape is also made from oval shape and customized, and eyebrow is made from arc shape. And this is the different parts of the body, and it was colored in gradient. Here is motion path mechanism. This is a group leg. Here is upper leg and lower parts. Lower parts are duplicate and united to upper part. And upper part color is given to white color, non-fill color. Behind leg also like this, and motion path of front leg is clockwise and 90°, and it was in spin motion. Behind leg it has also spin motion and anti-clockwise 90°, and this motion path also followed in each of the 4 cups. Here is the mechanism of walking a ducks with cups. So thank you all. Like, share, and who are new, subscribe my channel. Thanks.